Hello YouTube, how's everybody doing? So this is Two-Stroke Fanatic back again. I've been out for a while and everything. I had to have knee surgery on my knee, on my right knee. Now I'm better, so I'm back to doing this. It took me a couple months to go ahead and to heal up and then go ahead and be able to walk again and such. So I have I got this chainsaw that a friend of an acquaintance of mine, no, my friend has a friend that has an acquaintance who asked me if I could take a look at his chainsaw that for some reason isn't running anymore. And it's actually 2014 50 cc's Poulan Pro. Looks like in fairly decent shape. For some reason there's like oil and everything all over the place on the bottom here. I don't know if it's leaking oil or is it just like, you know, maybe the cap wasn't put on right or whatever. I don't know. Anyway, so we're going to go ahead and look at it. We're going to see what's wrong with it and hopefully we can go ahead and fix it. Now, I haven't really looked at this chainsaw really much. Haven't had a chance to get around to it or anything like that to really check it out, what's wrong with it, you know, what's its problem or whatever. So okay. Okay, so a couple of things here and everything. When I pull it, it doesn't seem to have a lot of compression. Maybe the rings are bound, or maybe it's all screwed up, or maybe the piston ring is probably bad or something, you know. But yeah, there's not much compression to it. So what I like to do, first thing I like to do is take off the bar chain. That's the first thing I like to do. I want to get something like this because I don't want the bar to hit me. So anyway, YouTube, it's a couple days after New Year's, but I wanted to say to everybody Happy New Year's. I know it's kind of late and stuff. Also New Year's too. I mean, Merry Christmas to everybody. Better late than never, I guess. So it's a couple days late, but oh well. One of these days I need to clean out my desk here. Clean this table off. Kind of dirty clutch there. Blade seems to be in okay shape, kind of dirty and oily. I'll clean that out later. Let's go ahead and let's get into the rest of it. Okay. So here we have I guess okay, I'm not 100% sure. Check out the spark plug. Okay. Good gas. Go ahead and take off the muffler. I want to see how the rings look and everything in there. If we want to see a really quick first viewing of the rings and the cylinder stuff, going through the muffler is the fastest way. Check how everything is at. How's everything doing in there? Okay, so this is what we got. We have a scored piston in there. I don't know if you can see that, but the piston is scored. Scored pretty good, I think. And I think the cylinder looks like a cylinder is scored too, so basically I need to take this all apart and rebuild it, which is always fun. Oh, shoot. First we're going to take off this housing here. I can't exactly figure out how to take this off right exactly now. I'm praying by taking off this housing I could probably maybe get to something else. So, if any of you are wondering stuff, I've got my my new knee and stuff. I went in for surgery on June 15th, and I was laid out for a couple weeks. Well, I was trying to at least heal and get over my knee. So, but other than that, haven't really done too much. I was able to a couple months ago give me kind of like a part-time job working over FedEx, which is okay, I guess. Oh, shoot. Oh, here we go. Okay, so I guess so we're right here taking off the air housing or whatever they're. Ah, shoot. Ah. Let's take that off. Okay. Take off. Okay. Go. Retrieve those little nuts really quick so I don't lose them. Go ahead and take off. I'm going to go ahead and take off the side here so I get a little bit more room in here. so I almost got all the parts out, all the little nuts, bolts off and stuff. We'll have pretty good condition there. Yeah, it's going the right way. There we go. Nope, not one more. Nope. A million part tools and not the right one. So we'll go ahead and we'll pop out the very nice, very nice. This is a very nice machine, very nice and clean and everything. But it's really good, you know.